Wouldn't it be great if we can invest our money in the market for growth and still have the principal guaranteed? Well, we can, and I will show you how. Hello, my name is Taayla Mark with Grace Financial Solutions. Today we are going to unwrap another financial tool that is not too well known, but it is a great tool for your financial toolbox. So let's get started, and don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. What looks like a mutual fund, sounds like a mutual fund, and acts like a mutual fund, and it isn't? Segregated fund, you say? Correct. Segregated funds are an assembly of stocks, bonds, and other instruments gathered under one umbrella. The portfolio is controlled by a portfolio manager under a professional investment company. You, as the unit holder, shares in the buying power of the fund. That allows you diversifications in ways that you can't achieve by yourself. Does that sound familiar? Well, it should if you watched my previous video on getting started in investing. I was talking about mutual funds then, but it does apply to segregated funds. In some cases, you will find that the mutual fund is the underlying investment in a segregated fund. That means it was a mutual fund first, then it was rewrapped, sold to an insurance company to set up as a segregated fund. There are certain advantages to segregated funds over mutual funds. Seg funds are an insurance product sold by insurance companies. Here are the specifics. Principal guaranteed. The principal is guaranteed not to lose value. You are covered up to 75% or 100% of the principal, depending on the contract. But for the guarantee to apply, you have to keep the money in the plan for 10 to 15 years, again depending on the contract. Guaranteed death benefits. The principal is guaranteed not to lose value in the event of death. For example, you invested $100,000 in a segregated fund. Next year, you unexpectedly passed away. This account will pay out the principal amount of $100,000 to your beneficiary regardless of any drop in value. When the balance is higher, the beneficiary gets the higher amount instead. Some contracts have 75% guarantee, but 100% is what is commonly used. As a side note, most policies have a reset option. So when your investment goes up, this option allows you to lock in the increase at a specific time frame. And that becomes your new principal. But be careful with this option. The reset of the principal may also reset the contract year for the principal guaranteed. As an example, in year 5, you triggered a reset on the principal amount to capture the gain, but that also restarts the contract back to year 1. Creditor protection. Because this is an insurance product, it will protect you against creditor claims, but the beneficiary has to be either your spouse or a child. There could be some exceptions to having that creditor protection. It all depends on when you set up the account before you file for bankruptcy. Also, Canada Revenue Agency has special powers to unlock this defense. If you have some concerns, it is best to discuss it with an advisor that is licensed to represent segregated funds. Bypass probate fees. Your TFSA or RSP already comes with a beneficiary designation, but your unregistered money does not, unless it's inside a segregated fund. It's a big deal because upon the death of the account owner, the fund goes directly to the designated beneficiary. It will bypass probate, which could take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years to settle, and it will also bypass probate fees. Of course, with every good thing, there is a dark side. With segregated fund, the biggest complaint is the higher management fees, but that's due to the extra built-in benefits. Compare similar mutual funds and segregated funds side by side to see if the higher cost is acceptable. Consult with a trusted advisor to see which is the best option for you. Thank you for your attention in watching this video. Give me a shout out and let me know in the comment section below how I'm doing. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you have not already. I really appreciate the opportunity to chat with you, and I can't wait to come back next time with more topics. In Grace Financial Solutions, financial success made simple. Then it was rewrapped and sold to an insurance company as a segregated fund. We're gonna do this? Fine, no worries. The principle. Oh my gosh, how do you say the word? The principle. It sounded so weird.